Gather the tools you will need. The battery is key, a flathead screwdriver, isopropyl alcohol, a paper towel, flat side cutters, 3mm Allen wrench, and a replacement zip tie or two. Turn off the bike by pressing and releasing the power button on the display at the handlebar. Remove the battery by using the key to push and rotate the key barrel into the off and unlocked position. Remove the key from the battery. Carefully lift the battery off the battery tray. Discharge residual power by pressing and releasing the power button to ensure the bike is safe for maintenance. The display may flash on briefly. Use a flathead screwdriver to pry off the handlebar grip end cap. Carefully pry the handlebar grip away from the handlebar and apply a small amount of rubbing alcohol in between the grip and the handlebar as temporary lubrication. Twist and pull the grip to slide it off the handlebar end. Trace the cable coming out of the throttle to the bulge in the cable, which is the connector. Use flat side cutters to snip the zip tie and pull directly apart without twisting to unplug. Use a 3mm Allen wrench to loosen the throttle clamp bolt. Slide the throttle and the spacer off the handlebar end, making note of the spacer orientation, which is necessary for reinstallation. Pass the new throttle onto the handlebar end as shown. Ensure the spacer is oriented and reinstalled properly. This must be installed as shown for the bike to operate safely. Use a 3mm Allen wrench to tighten the throttle clamp bolts securely. Align the internal notch pins and external arrows and press the connector directly together to fully seat the connection. Replace any zip ties to organize the cables and use flat side cutters to snip off zip tie excess. Apply a small amount of rubbing alcohol to the top of the handlebar. Twist the handlebar grip into place and press the end cap in place fully. Reinstall the battery. Have your work inspected by a certified, reputable bike mechanic and test the bike fully. Contact Rad Power Bikes product support if you have any questions, and ride rad!